This is IGCSE paper 4, the one for May, June 2025. So work out 16.71 plus 46.13 all over the root of 8.6 squared minus 3.5 squared. So we're going to do this in bits. So the first one is to look at the numerator. So in the numerator, we have 16.71, and we're going to add that to 46.13. So this is a calculator paper, the extended version, so you can use a calculator to evaluate this. We're going to have 62.84 for the numerator. And the next one is under the root. So under the root in the denominator, we have 8.6 squared, which is the same as 73.96. And we also have 3.5 squared, 3.5 squared, which will give you 12.25. And then we get the difference between these two. So that will be 73.96 minus 12.25. And then that difference will give us 61.71. So we now get the root or the square root of that difference. So when we get the square root of 61.71, that is approximately 7.856. So after that, we now divide the numerator by the final result of the denominator. So that will be, our numerator was 62.84. Then we put it over our final denominator, which is 7.856, and then that will give us 7.8, not 7.8 but 7.9. So this should be 7.998. You should check with the calculators to see or to confirm that this is correct. So that is 7.99898. But remember, the instruction was that we have to leave the answer correct with two significant figures. So we just round it off to the nearest whole number, or we try to the nearest hundreds. So we look at 9, then we're going to have approximately 8.0. So remember, you have to write it to the required number of figures, or the required significant figures. If you leave it in this stage, you're going to miss one mark. You're just going to have partial marks. That is B1. Our final answer there is 8.0.